This is my 2019 Dodge Charger Scat, the big 6'4". Yeah, man, I love it. Right now, I'm finna go to the cosmetic shop, so I can get my headlights replaced. And then, speaking of, I left some things. I need to go back to the house. But to the cosmetic shop, we're gonna drop the car off. I'll show y'all what the car looks like right now. But it just looks unfinished, and I need something for the time being that looks a little more put together than what I have right now. You know, so I'm gonna go up there today, and hopefully the guy fuck with me, which I know he will. I know, cause that's why I have an appointment. But yeah, so that's where I'm going right now. The things that I got done to the car, nothing really crazy, but I do have long tube headers. I do have a downpipe. The car is fully straight pipe. No cats. And I also have a tune as well. It's not no verbal tune, but I have a tune. At the time, I didn't really want a verbal tune. Now I'm in between if I should get a verbal tune or not. But if I was to go verbal tune, it would definitely be the underground tuning thing. But I just don't know how that shit's gonna treat my engine, so yeah. So I do want flames though, so I might just go flamethrower kit and then have this bitch shooting flames while I'm out. That should be crazy. The plan for the car next will probably be a cam. I'll probably get that. And then I do want to do the flamethrower kit. So I might do a flamethrower kit. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if it's corny or not, but oh well, fuck it, I like it. You see what I'm saying? So fuck it. Yeah, man, like, I love the car. I got the car at, whenever it had 12,000 miles. It's got what, 49 now. So I've had the car for a minute now. It's giving me issues, but nothing that'll just make me say, damn, I want to sell this bitch. Nothing that just made me overly want to sell it though. Loving every second of the car. The end goal for it is probably just be like, I would say 550 is cool with me, honestly. And I'm not far off from that. Probably even closer than I think I am, just from all the mods in the tune, but 550, 600 NA, and if I do decide to boost it, it would be like real low boost, not on a fucking, what's the name though, not on a Pro Charger. Those are too expensive. I don't know. I just think those are too expensive. You might as well just get a Hellcat blower or a Hellcat engine and buy some shit like that. But yeah, 550, maybe 600 to the wheel. Look at this nigga. A nice wrap. And that'll be it. Once it make the power that I wanted to, honestly, it might just get a simple wrap and call it. Like, if I do get famous enough, or if this channel does blow up enough, maybe I'll raffle it, but that'll be years down the line at the time, and probably nobody even want this hoe. You never know. So yeah, man. I do got, what are they called? BC Racing Springs? Something like that. Lawrence Springs. I do got Lawrence Springs, so man, every bump I hit, every little noggin I hit, whatever in the road, I feel it off real. It's gonna bump every time. But whenever I'm like doing speed limit plus, I don't feel nothing. I could drive over a curb. I guarantee I wouldn't feel it, which is crazy to say, but yeah. Oh my gosh, they've been such an issue, bro. So my headlights, they don't turn on all the time, and if they do turn on, only the left one turns on, which is the driver's side. Only the driver's side one turns on whenever it does turn on, so it's like really no light. And they're already like half used. They already don't work for them. Yeah, bro, they already don't work for real, and then they just stop working. I mean, I've had this issue a couple times. I've replaced my headlights once, and I made the dumb decision to get OEM ones. That cost me way too much, but this time I'm not making that same mistake. I'm gonna just get some simple ones that'll just be replacements, OE replacements, and hopefully that'll be fine. The guy that I'm taking it to, he looked at it, he said it should be fine. It shouldn't really affect my fuses or anything, or my battery or anything. So that's good. Look at the officer up there. Caught somebody. Good thing I ain't going up there. No bullshit. A lot of construction going on in Katy. What the fuck? Traffic. Look at the steering wheel though. I like it. Got the little forged carbon on it too. That shit hard. It ain't new, but it ain't old. I admire it many times I geek it. Looks like now once I stop, and then hopefully we can show y'all what it looks like after as well. Not hopefully, I'll show y'all after too. Okay, so we at the spot. Let me get on and show y'all the car. See, it ain't got no wrap on the front. Had to replace the front bumper. And it ain't got no wrap on the back either. Had to replace the back bumper. That's about it. So this is the next day. I came to pick up the car. It wouldn't start, so this is just clips of me and him trying to get it to start, and then me admiring the car too after I got it done. Okay. So at this point, we've been here for about a good hour and a half trying to figure out what's going on. Peace. I gotta get those things replaced, but that's satin. It's just so good. It's just so hard.